Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about Amazon FBA. We're going to be talking about how to get started with this, some tips and tricks on how you guys can start making money. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and guys, let's jump into this. So there is several different ways you guys can make money through Amazon fulfillment. The first way is Amazon FBA, which is what we're going to be talking about today. That is fulfillment through Amazon. And then there's Amazon FBA, which is pretty much where you, the manufacturer, ships out the products. That is the main differences between the two, and both of them have pros and cons. But we're going to be talking about today FBA. So this is going to be a beginner's guide for people that are just getting started or maybe wondering, is this the industry I should go in to start making money? So what is Amazon FBA? So Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, where Amazon stores, picks, packs, and ships your products to customers. Amazon also handles customer service, returns, making it a hands-off option for sellers. So you guys can kind of see right here, let me move myself, how it works. So you send the inventory to a fulfillment center, then Amazon sorts it, then customers order your product, and then Amazon FBA picks, packs, and ships your product. So that's how it works. This is why a lot of people absolutely love this, is because it's a handoff approach to making money. You don't have to worry about customers. You don't have to pretty much worry about anything. It's a very, very hands-off approach. So how do you get started? So you're going to need to open up a Amazon seller account. This is how you guys actually are able to sell products with Amazon. So you guys can choose between the individual or the professional accounts. The individual has no monthly subscription fee, but you pay 99 cents per item sold. So if you are just getting into, the ball game of making money through Amazon, I would recommend going the, individual route until your sales start picking up. Then you always can switch to the professional. The professional is $39.99 per month, but with no per item fee. So you just pay on that monthly subscription. You enter your business information, you include your tax info, your bank account details for payment. So you just fill out all of the info. It's very, very, very easy to do. They make it very simple to get started. So now, how do you find profitable products? That's why everybody goes to these videos. How do you find products? So you're going to want to use tools like Jungle Scout, which is the one that I recommend, Helium 10, or Amazon Scout to identify product opportunities. You can put in different criteria for selecting product, like high demand but low competition. Is it lightweight or small for low shipping costs? Products with room for branding or improvement. So you guys can see here, this is kind of how Jungle Scout will look. You can go to the opportunity finder. You can put in different categories that maybe you want to look out for. So I found the best two are going to be home and kitchen, office products, and one of the things here, up on top, it'll have competition. So you can put, do you want low competition? Personally, I think that competition is good because competition means there's a little something there, right? Where you can kind of grab a little bit, take a piece of that pie. That's pretty decent here. You don't want it super low competition where no one's searching for the product. So also seasonality, we're going to show you guys a seasonality item here that you guys can start using to start making money. But as you fill out all this criteria, maybe that meets your needs, then it'll pop up, the niche category, and then also it'll show you the search volume. So you guys can see here the 30-day search for this Valentine gnome is up over 3,000%. In the 90-day, it's 1,200%. So there could be an opportunity here. So how do you go about sourcing products? I think we've all heard of platforms like, or manufacturers like Alibaba, Made in China, or even just local US suppliers. You guys can do that. So you want to order some samples. Very, very easy to do. All you got to do is go on, message a seller. Sometimes you'll pay a little bit more for the item than like if you order it in bulk. But what you can confirm is the quality. Also, you guys can negotiate prices and terms. So this is cool because you guys can see here, these are pretty much the same products, very, very similar, right? You guys will notice they're selling these two for $8. Now, you could order them for $2.85. So obviously there is some wiggle room to make money there. Obviously, the more you order with your product, the cheaper they're going to be. Now, after you go about doing that, I would highly recommend going to the Amazon seller calculator and fill out all the info. The great thing about doing this is you'll be able to see how much it costs, how much money you're going to make from this. So you guys can see here the cost per unit down here is about $2.49. So the total margin rate is going to be near around 15% by the time they have all of their fees. You guys will notice all of the Amazon fees is about $2 or it's actually about $5.35. So you will only profit about $1.53 per unit sold. So you're going to be really trying to capitalize off volume. You're not going to be selling high ticket items. You're going to be hoping that you'll get 100 buys a day, right? And make some money that way. But I would highly recommend going and looking at a calculator, and so you guys can start plugging in all the information. Now, after you do that, now the thing here is listing your product on Amazon. So you want to create a product listing with your Amazon sellers account. You want to write a compelling title using high rank keywords. You guys will notice that with this description right here, all of the information that they put in, they slam it with as much keywords, as much information as you can. So use high ranking keywords. You guys can go to like Google Trends. You can go to like high ranking keywords right on Google. Type in, the Valentine's Day garden gnome, or not garden gnome, but gnomes, and it'll give you some great keywords. Also use clear, high quality images. Amazon, for the first photo, you have to have a white background. After that, they have a lot more flexibility. So what I would recommend doing is actually either working with a photographer, sending it to some models, and actually have somebody hold it. When you have a face to a brand, when you have a face to a product, it really, really helps with conversion. So use very clear, high quality images. You can work with a photographer, or you could just really send it out to people and they can do it too. Create bullet points that highlight features and benefits. So right in the description, you can even go to like ChatGPT, type it in, or even send a picture via ChatGPT and then say, hey, I want some highlight features, I want some benefits, and it will actually write you out a very, very good Amazon listing. Then you also want to set competitive pricing. So going back to that calculator, you could see that even if you just adjust it to $1, that could make up a lot of money, but you still want to be very, very competitive in your pricing. So research your competitors, choose pricing that makes you competitive. Use keywords, incorporate them into your product listing for better visibility. So the next thing here is managing your inventory. Regularly check your inventory levels in the Seller Central to avoid stockouts. Amazon can also alert you when inventory is low. So you can always just send more product to that Amazon warehouse here. Promoting your product. We'll talk about more ways to promote your product later in the video, but this is some very, very easy ways you guys can do it. You guys can use the Amazon PPC, which is pay per click, to drive your traffic to your listing. You can run promotions so you can be a little cheaper, get some reviews, then increase the price. You can run, like I said, promotions, other discounts and get reviews through Amazon's early reviewer program or using follow-up email sequence. Now, how do you bring traffic to your Amazon FBA listing organically through outside of Amazon? So driving traffic to your Amazon FBA listing from the outside of the Amazon ecosystem can significantly increase your sales, especially when done with off-page SEO and good marketing efforts. Here's how you guys can bring some traffic from external sources to optimize your off-page SEO Amazon listing. So there is several different ways here. Now, one of the things that I want to talk about is going to be ways. So I definitely think that if you're just starting out with Amazon FBA, open up a Facebook, a Instagram, and a Pinterest page. So showcase your products with those same images, create engaging posts, use good hashtags, and obviously just link it, with the link so people can click it. Also, partner with influencers. Send anybody that has under, like 1,000 subscribers, send your product to them for free. It'll cost you $2 or $3 to do. And you can partner with influencers that work maybe in that niche, so you can offer them the free products, commission, an affiliate commission in exchange for a review, shout out. Also, create product reviews with YouTube, unboxing videos, tutorials, collaborate with YouTubers, TikTok, create short engaging content showcasing your product and use, and you can just link it. Email marketing, build an email list through a website, through a blog, or lead management, offering discounts for signing up. Send newsletters. There's so many different ways, guys, that you guys can bring traffic. And I really think this is what separates people from making money and not making money. It's just consistency. That's all it is. The more you do and work on your product, the better off you're going to be. I would highly recommend, obviously, building a blog or at least a website where people can, go to it. They can see your listings, stuff like that. And if worst comes to worst, you always could use, paid ads, with Amazon, because those work very well, and then you'll be higher up on that search ranking. Another thing here is to do proper off-page SEO for your Amazon listings. So for those of you that don't know what off-page SEO is, off-page SEO involves activities that take place outside your Amazon listing, but can boost your ranking by generating external backlinks, social signals, and traffic. So here's how you guys can do that. You guys can backlink building. You guys guest posting, write guest blog posts for other websites in your niche, include backlinks to your Amazon listing, press releases. You could do link from high authority websites, so you can reach out to like established blogs, news websites, or other sites in your niche. And then social media sharing, right? Share your product on social media. It's as simple as that. Will really help you generate some social signals, which can improve SEO. Use Pinterest. Pin high quality images of your product, link directly to Amazon product page. Pinterest can be powerful to drive traffic. And then external review. There's so many different ways. So I don't want to hear the excuse that, this market's saturated, because every market is saturated. It's just these people on YouTube or TikTok that show you, they're very, very broad with their explanation. It honestly all comes down to just putting in the work, making things, continuing to improve. And yeah, starting out for the first month or two, you probably will get very, very low sales. But if you just continue to work on it, just with anything, you'll grow and you'll continue to invest in yourself. And it's just an easy way where you guys can start making some money here. But the biggest thing for effective traffic generation is going to be consistency. Keep promoting your product consistently across different platforms to create a continuous flow of traffic. Test and track. Use Amazon to track the performance of your off Amazon marketing efforts. It'll show what traffic sources convert the best engagement. Engage in your audience via social media or in like Reddit forums. People are more likely to trust and purchase from a brand that they've seen several times. So guys, those are some tips and tricks and a step-by-step guide on how you guys can start making money through Amazon FBA. Obviously, like I said, a lot of it just comes down to putting in the work, and that's it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.